On the outside, everything looks fine, but inside, something feels off. You can feel yourself outgrowing a version of you that once felt safe. The rules you lived by no longer apply, and there's no roadmap for what comes next. But what if the unknown isn't a breakdown, but the beginning of your breakthrough? I've walked this path at least 9 times, each time shedding a layer of who I thought I had to be, and each time becoming a little bit more unapologetically me. To make sense of the chaos, I began tracing the deeper patterns I had been living with for years. What emerged became an embodied transformation process, a living, intuitive guide through chaos, challenge, and change, a way to meet uncertainty with awareness. So you don't just survive it, but rise through it. This isn't just a talk, it's a transformation in real time. Through story, art, and movement, I guide audiences from autopilot to awareness to aligned action. You don't have to repeat patterns that no longer serve you. You can step back, see differently, choose differently, and rise into who you truly are.
I was very impressed by what she did tonight. She was very natural during the whole thing, bringing a superb message across. She was fun, she was very entertaining, and then of course the painting. It's the first time I see her do the painting thing as well. Previously it was, just only words. She surprised me a lot, and very positively. So.